Hello, my name's Stephen Ward. I'm the Operations Manager here at Metaltech Precision in Chard. Talking to you a little bit about why we've chosen to fit AR filtration systems supplied by Yeovil Machine Tools to our machines. AR filtration systems are the market leaders in particulate filtration, so making them a very incredibly efficient units, which is a consideration for health and safety of our employees, to make sure that we create an environment in which they're comfortable working, and to make sure that they're not breathing any particulates which could be detrimental to their health, and to look after the conditions of the machines. We've had a fantastic working relationship with Yeovil Machine Tools, spanning back over a number of years when we first elected to go on this programme, and that's continued. As you can see in the background, the machine that we've had delivered last week by Yeovil Machine Tools with a filtration system fitted to it. The servicing that we get from Yeovil Machine Tools is second to none. They're available on very short notice should we have any requirements, which we haven't done to date, and the team have been very professional in recommendation of the appropriate filtration unit and the fitting of them to the machines retrospectively.